welcome back to the channel. We are currently here in a remote location with the truck. Went ahead and did a little drive-by sound clips for you. We wanted to take some exhaust clips for you. I've recently had some personal messages on Instagram in regards to my 64mm Lincoln diesel turbo, so I wanted to get that video out for those people as soon as I could, and today is the day. So go ahead, follow me on Instagram if you have not already. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content. We're going to keep the content rolling, so stay tuned. Let's get into these exhaust clips. So that is a 4-inch straight pipe MBPR exhaust. I am currently thinking about going to a 5-inch exhaust, so please let me know in the comments below if you have one. If you previously owned a 4-inch or which one you like, a 4-inch or a 5-inch. Like I said, I'm thinking about going to a 5-inch, so please let me know. Go ahead and let me know on Instagram, let me know on the comments below. So right now we're gonna get into those drive-by clips I was talking about. And so we're in the truck now. We're headed back to the homestead. Again, that's a Lincoln Diesel Specialties 64mm turbo. It sounds great. It tows outstanding. You can't go wrong with it. I'll leave their link in the description below. Go ahead, hit them up if you have any interest in any Duramax parts. So I'll see you guys in a little bit, and we'll finish this video up at home. We're back home now. In my formal living room, you could say. My basement is more so the family style room. Anyways, the 64mm turbo I got from Lincoln Diesel Specialties, I got about 2 years ago now, and it has exceeded all expectations that I had. Now I know the size of it isn't that much larger than per se, you know, a stock LBZ turbo or even an LLY. Like the LLY I believe is a 63.5mm turbo, but I can tell you right now it's a night and day difference from the towing capabilities of it, the daily driving of it. The sound is outstanding. And of course the spool up. There's no turbo lag or anything like that. So I've recommended it to multiple people, and I'd recommend it to any of you guys. I'm going to leave Lincoln Diesel Specialties link in the description below. Go ahead and check them out for any parts that you guys have. They do outstanding customer service. Great people that work there. And the knowledge they have is just superb. So go ahead and check them up. Now, the turbo is capable of, I think, 650 max horsepower. To be honest with you guys, I have plans for the truck, and I don't know if I'm going to keep that turbo. Now, I might keep it in regards to what I want to do in the future with the truck, but I also might go a completely different route with it. So stay tuned for that. 50 subscribers. Once we hit that mark, I'm going to go ahead and give those headlights away to one of you guys. I'm going to leave you with that giveaway video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, like the video or photo that pertains to the giveaway, and I'll see you next week.